Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Facebook Lite is stuck on preparing, please wait and not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to fix it in just a few steps. So, let's get started. So, firstly, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Facebook Lite and update it if not. And after this, go back to the home page. Now open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on Facebook Lite. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the previous page. Click on force stop. Click on OK. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.